Good morning, D-Day. We're in the 5 o'clock hour. I gotta be at the hospital by 6 for surgery at 9. If you missed the last video, here in New Jersey for open heart surgery. Wasn't supposed to be for that. I have to have my aortic valve replaced. Only planned on being here for a couple weeks for something else, so we had to hit the thrift shop, get some winter clothes because it's cold here already. So I'll be in the hospital 6 o'clock this morning. Surgery at 9, and my mind's not in it because I've slept exactly 0 hours and 0 minutes. That's what we're dealing with today. What other random thoughts did I have for this? Alright, hopefully this video gets out to you. I'm not going to record going into the thing today, so next you'll see. Hopefully it'll be after my surgery. See how this goes.
Slow breaths, we're good.
I'm taking this thing all the way back.
Yeah.
Okay, so where was I? Oh, just going into the hospital, right. So I went in, did my pre-op stuff, admission stuff, and sometime after 9 o'clock, they cracked me open and replaced my aortic valve. So it happened, and I survived. So woke up in the ICU, spent the night there. The next day they kicked me out of the ICU. Went down to the step-down unit. First day there was just, yeah, that was miserable. Second day they took my chest tubes out. And I was able to put on my own clothes. Feeling a little bit better, getting out of the hospital dress. The next day they threw me out of the hospital. So this is 6 days after my operation. And I am out for my first walk in nature after the surgery. It's some days is easy, or some minutes are easy, and some minutes it feels like the house just fell and collapsed completely on me. But beautiful day. I'm able to get out, get some walking in. Not taking it too hard, but beautiful day. I'm trying to think if anything crazy has happened since then. Just the surgery, getting out of the hospital at some sort of record speed. My entire torso and arms are pretty much a bunch of different bruises that have melded into one giant solid bruise at this point. But building up my energy every day, trying to feel a little better. Let's see what the next step is. Out of the hospital, I'm on my own. I have another day's worth of medication to take, and after that it's pretty much just like before I went into the hospital, but with a new proper working valve that should have me much healthier. So I'll let you know what the next thing is. Stay tuned. Okay, so that last update was at 6 days post-op from open heart surgery. Heart's doing fine. I'm now about 9 weeks post-op from that surgery, and a week and a half post-op from bilateral inguinal hernia surgery, and that recovery's been feeling a little tougher than the open heart surgery. So that should be it. I have one more follow-up, and then I'll be heading home. So doing pretty good. Hopefully this all heals up. I still have some, my sternum still has to heal from the open heart surgery. But big thank you for all the love and support I got from friends and family helping me through this. That should be it. Next time you see me, I should be back home in Belize because I've had enough of New Jersey. I rate the food a 10, the weather and everything else pretty low. So see you back in Belize real soon. Thanks for watching.